This is how to keep your phone on. Go to the settings, scroll down until you get to display and brightness. Scroll down until you get to auto lock. Tap on that. Here are the options for the duration for keeping your phone on. So at 30 seconds, your phone will dim and turn off at 30 seconds. Or you can have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and never. As you go down this list, it's going to affect your battery life more and more. At never, I've had this on never quite a few times, just for various things I'm doing, and sometimes I forget to turn it off and the phone battery dies pretty quick. So that's what you want to be careful with. At 5 minutes, that seems to be a pretty good time frame for keeping your phone on, but if you need longer than 5 minutes, you've got to go with never. Just be mindful of your battery life. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's something important everybody should be doing on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.